Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sharmistha and this is English with Sharmistha. Today I am here to talk about some good alternatives in English speaking that can help you to speak in a better way. I'll tell you why I thought of doing so. Recently, I had been to a party and I had met some people. I was talking to one of them about the bad condition of the roads, and that person responded saying, seriously. Like when I said the main road to this place is badly damaged for years. That person agreed with me saying, seriously. While talking to another person, I said that there was a lot of pollution due to plastic, and that person responded, seriously. That person also agreed with me and said, seriously. While in the party, once or twice, I again heard the word seriously. I started thinking, why are these people so serious? Why can't they agree in some other way? So, if you are doing the same thing, if you are always saying seriously, then you can have some more alternatives. You can say something else to agree. You can say, I agree. When a person says that the roads are very bad nowadays, you can say, yeah, I agree with you. You can also say, I totally agree. And you can say, I know. So instead of saying seriously, you can say these things. Secondly, when people are surprised, when they are shocked, when they don't believe what's happening, they say, what? You don't always have to say what. You can also say, are you kidding? You can also say, I don't believe you. You can also say, you must be joking. And you can say, you can't be serious. These are the things you can say instead of what. Obviously, if you prefer to say what always, then it's totally up to you. And it's totally your preference. And you are welcome to do it. Another word that is overused is amazing. You can use unbelievable or incredible instead of amazing. Fourthly, if you are supposed to reach to some place and you are not able to go on time and you are saying that I don't think I will be able to reach on time, instead of saying that, you can say I don't think I'm gonna make it, or you can say I don't think I'm going to make it. Again, it's completely your preference what you want to say, but if you want to upgrade your English speaking a bit, you can say, I don't think I'm going to make it. The fifth sentence that I am going to advise you to say is when sometimes someone says to you, sorry to disturb you, and to reply that you say, no, it's okay. The feeling is good, but you can change the sentence. That is, you can say, it's not a bother at all. It's completely up to you whether you want to say it or not, but it's a good sentence. You can definitely use it in your English speaking to upgrade and to make your English speaking more beautiful. Whether to speak in English or not, whether to try to improve your English or not, is completely your choice. These are some of the alternatives that I provided to you to make your English speaking sound better. If there are some doubts in your mind about some more sentences, if you have some sentences in your mind that you don't know how to use, you can write in the comment section and I will definitely reply. So that was all for my video today. I hope you found it useful. If you found it useful and if you liked it, do like it, share it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Keep reading, keep listening, keep practicing and do take a very good care of yourself till I come with my next video. Bye for today.